Here I have Realme Narzo 50 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset operation on this device. So, hard reset might be very useful in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device right now. So, what can you do in this kind of a situation? Firstly, you have to turn your Realme off. And after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. In the following menu, select English, then select format data, then enter verification code. You will have like your own code, not this one. Everyone has their own unique code. Then tap format, and after a few seconds all the data from your device will be formatted, and after that device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.